Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the little crafter. Oops, forgot to put that away. I'll throw it away. Okay, so today I am going to be doing a digital haul. I really don't have them in order because I just printed them off. Anyways, alright, so let me move this washi out the way. I also have a digital planner haul slash washi haul today for you guys. And I figured, I know with everything going on with the mail stuff, even though I love, you know, my physical stuff that you get through the mail, I love getting Happy Mail. This is kind of like my instant gratification. Oh, I'm crazy. Anyways, so I decided to look into getting some kits for my print pressions. My mini happy planner. I've been getting a lot of kits for my Erin Conran vertical. They do have horizontal, so yeah. And I've even seen, I think, a B6 kit, but I don't have a B6 myself. So anyways, this is, let me get this pretty cute planner.com. She's on Etsy. I will link everything down below, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell notification when I upload a new video. Sorry guys. Alright, so this is the kit. It comes with some bows, glitter headers, a weekly like important list, some habit trackers, full and a half boxes. No, not full boxes. They only come with half boxes. It looks like quarter boxes, and some deco and some washi, some to do. This is a really small kit, but I like it. And this is just printed on some printable printable sticker paper. Next up, all right, you know what? Next up we have this one is for the mini happy planner, and this is a monthly. I was looking through all of my books, and I don't really have like a monthly. Normally I'll pull everything together to make some monthly stickers, use it as a monthly guide, but I don't have anything this this time around, so I decided to do this. This is a monthly view. This is from Design Love Studios, and again, this is Etsy. I love this. This is very June. Has the numbers, has some this month to do goals, notes, and really little small icons. Let me see if I can get you guys, and everything perfect for a mini happy planner. So super excited about that, in case you have any extra days or whatever. This, let me see, actually I printed this one wrong by accident. I printed the wrong one. This one I think is for the, it doesn't say. Anyways, she also has an Instagram account. This is a weekly, and this is the other part of the weekly. Has some washi on the bottom. This actually almost looks like it would fit a print pression planner, I think. So that is pretty cool. Looks like that would fit nicely in a weekly as well. Alright, so that is happy planner, mini happy planner stuff. Oopsie, this is, hold on, let me double check, because I can't remember if this was a print pression or a, I'm thinking this is, for print pression, or it could be for the mini happy planner. But either which way, I think it would work. If you need to do a little surgery, you can do that. This is the front. It's kind of like has all the stuff. It kind of, yeah, it looks like a weekly kit. Anyways, and here we go with the whatchamacallits. Oops, sorry. Numbers and headers. Quarter boxes, habit trackers, water tracker. I love water trackers like this. And some different types of washi, which I love. I love this kit. This one I forgot. I will put it in a caption. But yeah, so I saw this one and I definitely had to have it. So yeah, so the next one is definitely a print pression. Again, this is from, she has some really cool stuff. This is from prettycuteplanner.com. Cute pretty planner Etsy.com. Your headers, this looks like, yeah, this looks like the washi, glitter headers, bow checklist, habit checkers, half and quarter boxes, and some deco and boxes, and full boxes. So this is really cute. I love this color. All right, so didn't do anything for a monthly, and this box keeps getting in the way. So I decided to, why is this looking so dark today? Maybe. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, I think, let me see if I can just do that. Alright, so this is a Print Pressions Weekly. It comes with the header, some little deco stuff. Looks like some type of washi, headers, numbers, trackers of sorts in different colors, and everything that you would need for a monthly spread up. Oopsie. My printer is having a bit of a problem. Thank goodness it didn't get on the beautiful Fashion Girls. And I've ordered stuff from her before, but she doesn't have any weekly. She only has a monthly kits for the Print Pressions. So this is Print Petticoat Bandit. Yeah, so this is a newer kit. This is June 2020 options. So yeah, so this is really pretty. Love the colors. The vibe is very summery, and yeah. Alright, so that is it for my this is online sticker paper. I will link the paper down that I used below. So yeah. And I actually, even though they do give you options for like your printer, just to cut by hand, they also give you silhouette options. They also give you Cricut options, some of them. I personally think that silhouette and Cricut, whatchamacallits, files do work really well on each other. So I have had a couple of what was meant for silhouette, and they cut out just fine. Alright, so this is from Sweet Kawaii, and I really just wanted to show you this box. Really cute. It kind of looks like a bunny. So cute. This is from one of the washis, and that's Sakura, and it just kind of folds inward. If I can get it to close. Oh boy. Come on. Yeah, so it closes like that. Anyways, you get the drift. Alright, so this is, you guys know I love my colors green. And I just have to show you the variety of sizes. Like, I have never seen washi like super thin like this. Like, I'm so obsessed with this one. Like, I'm gonna be so sad. I just love it. And yeah. So yeah, so that is really pretty. So this is like the bigger ones. This is like the normal size that I'm used to. And this one has become one of my staples, you know, like every now and again I'll use that. So this is like the, I think Desert Life or Plant Life, something like that. This is the sea. This is and then this is the Galaxy, kind of like with gold foiling. And that's all the sizes that it comes in. The same size, just. And I got 2 of these. And then this is the Sakura one. Another. Some of them are gold foiling. Like, even like this is smaller than what I expected. Like, look at that. But yeah, even, no, actually all of them are gold foiling. I didn't get a chance to look at this one really good. So yeah, so this has some gold foiling in it as well. These 2 have some gold foiling. These 2 are the same. These 2 have some gold foiling. Loving that. I actually love Sakuras, so I mean, yeah, Sakuras. I said that right. So yeah, so that is pretty. And I did order another kit, but I didn't print it out. I already printed out, and I will. Oopsie, I dropped one. Yeah, I gotta go pick that up. So yeah, so I will link everything down below for these cute kits, and I love this. This is such a great detail, like so cute. Yeah, so that's about it. I forgot the name of the kit, but it was a black and white kit. And I will be flipping through my Erin Condren planner because I have been doing some spreads, but I just have not been filming any videos. I really haven't been feeling up to it. Yeah. So if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.